let me just do a thing. Wait for a second. Let me connect my CSS file and sr6 source root equals to start.css and it's our oh sorry link, and first of all we go ahead link rel equals to style and href should equals to style. What's this? Closing tag. Now, first of all, I would create an image tag. I have an image over here. Okay, after that I would write the closing tag. And if I open my browser, oh no, this one. Yeah. Okay, so watching here's an image over here. Now I would install it using CSS. So open my style.css, close it. Oh, okay. So now, first of all, I've got mg over here and this records. Now I can so I can apply filter, which will be now I can do any of them. Okay, so first of all, what I can set is blur, and it should be 10 pixels. Blur, and here's it. So what you name is called blur. If I didn't blur 1 pixel, so it would look like this. It's less blur. Right away. And after that, get 2 pixel, which would look like this. It's blurry, getting blurry. And a 3. And that's how it would keep increasing and increasing and increasing. After that, okay, so brightness function, it should be 10 pixel. First of all, so watching it's bright now. I can increase it. It's also increasing the brightness. And yeah, so I should do it 100%. So first of all, it's safe, but then I would do it 150%. So brightness is too much increased. Oh, I have it at 1500. That's now you're watching it's increasing. I can make it 300. It would be more of an increase. You're watching the colors getting lighter because of more brightness. After that, the another filter is okay, so the next filter is contrast and semicolon at the end, and and it should be 100%, and I can open it. Okay, so let me increase to 150. So watching its color is changing, it's increasing the cross. So let me make it 10%. So watching, and after that I will explain you the another filter, which is drops. So okay, it's that will just make you understand an important one. So what should be, okay, let me just make it to 11%. You watching, after that how it says, so I can make it 50%, and watching it's decreased too much. Okay, let me make that. Watching its color is changing. So after that there are also other things. So first one is, oh, what's it reporting it? Solid. Okay, so let me edit water color 10 pixel solid. Ooh, let me, why isn't it creating the water? I don't know why it's giving error. Okay, so now what I can do is, so okay, so I can take it 500 pixel over far from here, so it would be in center. So I can also margin bottom, margin left should be auto. Okay, now let me change it. Change something. It's not changing, so let me automatically change it. Pixel and margin top 250 pixel. Yup. It's more, let me make it 200. And now it's fine, it's in the center. And that's how I can use the CSS properties. So keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.